everyone in the UK could get a coronavirus vaccination by Easter, as the government plans a mass rollout over just 3 months. Scientists in Oxford who are working on the vaccine are anticipating it will be approved by early next year. It's believed that once the process is underway, it could take 6 months to distribute the vaccine, but that the timeline could be even quicker than that, according to government sources. Rules are being drawn up to allow a much wider group of healthcare staff to give the jobs, and training will begin within weeks. Drive-through vaccination centres are being planned to cope with the huge logistical challenge of giving vaccines to tens of millions of people. The armed forces are also likely to be called in to help. We are looking at closer to 6 months, and it is likely to be far shorter than that, a government source told The Times. Sign up to get the Mirror's daily coronavirus briefing email at mirror.co.uk/email in your inbox, but other officials are more cautious. A Royal Society report suggested it could take up to a year to successfully distribute a dose of the vaccine to every adult in the UK. They believe that, while priority groups could be targeted, it would depend on the successful rollout and administration of the vaccine in the first few months. It's likely that the elderly and vulnerable will be eligible for the job first, which will be crucial in allowing the lifting of restrictions. Young, healthy adults would be lower down the list. The drug, currently being developed at Oxford University with the pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca, is the most advanced of the vaccines that have been backed by Britain. Human trials have been taking place since April, and scientists remain confident that it could get approved by the end of this year or the beginning of 2021. If Britain's 53 million adults were all to be vaccinated with 2 doses within 6 months, it would mean 600,000 jabs a day. To do the same in 3 months would require 1.2 million a day to meet the government's proposed Easter target. The government has ordered 100 million doses of the Oxford vaccine, which are being manufactured before it has been shown to be successful. It's thought that care home residents and staff will be the first to receive the vaccine, followed by those aged over 80 and NHS staff. After that, it will be the over 65s, followed by younger adults deemed to be high risk. Over 50s would then follow, with younger adults being made to wait longer. A vaccine could also mean that industries currently still shut down under coronavirus regulations would finally be able to open back up. At the end of September, Skills Minister Gillian Keegan hinted that places like nightclubs could remain shut until a successful vaccination is approved, as some jobs don't fit coronavirus. She admitted that it was hard to see how nightclubs will open until we have some kind of long-term way to deal with coronavirus. From November 1, only viable jobs where someone can work at least a third of their hours will be supported, and employers will have to contribute 55% of a worker's wages for just 33% of their hours.